Hi all, it's Super Easy Math. In this video we'll talk about comparing fractions with the same numerator, so let's start. 3 over 4 and 3 over 8, which is greater? First of all, let's color 3 over 4, so it's 3 pieces of 4, 1, 2 and 3. What about 3 over 8? So it's 3 pieces of 8, 1, 2 and 3. It's clear that 3 over 4 is greater than 3 over 8. Another example. We have here these fractions with the same numerator, which is 1. So 1 over 2 is one rectangle of these two. 1 over 3 is one rectangle of these three. So this is 1 over 3. 1 over 4. 1 over 5. And 1 over 6. As you notice, as the denominator becomes greater, the fraction becomes smaller. So we can say that 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 3, and 1 over 3 is greater than 1 over 4, etc. So the fraction with the smallest denominator corresponds to the greatest fraction, and the one with the greatest denominator corresponds to the smallest fraction. So we can come up with this conclusion: two fractions with the same numerator, the one with the smallest denominator is the greatest. So 3 over 4 and 3 over 8, they have the same numerator 3. Just look at the denominator. The smallest denominator belongs to the greatest fraction. The same here, so 6 over 9 and 6 over 10. Same numerator 6, the smallest denominator corresponds to the greatest fraction. So 6 over 9 is greater than 6 over 10. You can also think about it as a school mark. So suppose that we have two students. The first one took 10 over 10 on the exam, and the second one took 10 over 20. We know that 10 over 10 is better or greater than 10 over 20. It's the full mark. So we can say when two fractions have the same numerator, the fraction with the smallest denominator is the greatest. 7 over 6 and 7 over 9. So same numerator 7. Look at the denominator. The smallest denominator corresponds to the greatest fraction. Same numerator 13, so the smallest denominator 5 belongs to the greatest fraction. 5 over 14 and 5 over 3, so same numerator 5, the smallest denominator 3 belongs to the greatest fraction. 10 over 4 and 10 over 8, so same numerator 10, the smallest denominator, which is 4, belong to the greatest fraction. And the last example, 7 over 7 and 25 over 25. So here we do not have the same numerator, but we know that 7 over 7 is equal to 1, and 25 over 25 is equal to 1 also, so these two fractions are equal. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. You will find in the description below our Facebook and Telegram, so please join us.